city, said a young man sitting next to me. Heard you're new in town, before you get around, here's a little tip from me. Best stick to yourself no matter where you go. Just watch your back and hold your own. And if after that trouble's knocking at your door, remember my friend, it's a town we're fighting for. Welcome to your paradise, where the little man pays a bigger price. Take another hit, just get it over with. We're a little sick, you see. Can't stay down no more, we gotta make it known. So get back up, you're not alone. And then hit 'em back, leave 'em gripping to the floor. You never had a choice, they're knocking at your door. Remember my friend, it's time and this is war. It's time and this is war. To the untold, take a deep breath, take the higher road. That's what they always say, as if they know the way. They won't take it from me. But don't ever doubt yourself, 'cause life ain't just a dream. You make your own, so kick and scream. The people who will act with a never-ending force, you never had the chance, so what you waiting for? The day has come, my friend, 'cause this is war. It's time and this is war. Better make it quick, we ain't got a lot of time. 'Cause the powers that be don't want us free, so they gotta double shine. But when the dust settles in, they're gonna pay for their sins. Made up my mind, gotta stand side by side as we drag all the lines to the table for sacrifice. It's time and